Good day everyone. In this video I will show you 3 tips for this watch Casio W737H, which are not so secret but not many people know. Okay, first is the LCD check. To do that, you can press 3 buttons at the same time: adjust, mode, and start stop, like this. And you will see this LCD check screen. And to move to the next screen, you can press the start stop button. Okay, and you will see this code. This is for the program code. And then again you will see this one, the LCD check screen, and again another LCD check screen. And now done, return to the timekeeping mode. Okay, the next tip is to return to timekeeping mode instantly. So for example, if you are in other mode, for this one is the timer mode, you don't need to press the mode button several times. Just press and hold like this, and now you will return to the timekeeping mode. And the third one is the alarm sound check. To do that, first we need to move to the alarm mode. So press this mode button, 1, 2, 3. Now we are in the alarm mode, AL. And then press and hold the split button on the top right, like this. And we can hear the beeping sound. But for this procedure, we will activate or we will change the setting. So to return to the previous setting for this alarm, we can press this split button 1, 2, 3 more times, and now it's returning to the previous setting. And done, we can return to the timekeeping mode. And yeah, that's it. And that's all for the tips on this Casio W737H. Hopefully this is useful, and don't forget to subscribe. I'll see you again in the next video. Bye.